In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or updating your current setup, knowing how to properly configure tax settings is essential. Let's dive into the process and ensure that your online business complies with tax regulations. First things first, you'll want to open the Squarespace website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the necessary settings. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner where you'll find your profile avatar. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will lead you to a menu displaying several options related to your account. From there, proceed by clicking on Settings. This section is the control center for your Squarespace site, where you can manage everything from site appearance to more complex options like commerce settings. For our purpose today, we need to locate the Selling option. Click on Selling to enter the commerce-specific settings. In the Selling section, you'll see an option labeled Taxes. Click on this to access the Tax Settings section. This part of the website is where you'll handle all things tax-related for your Squarespace site. If you haven't set up taxes before, you'll likely see an option to set up taxes manually. Go ahead and click on Manual. After that, you'll see a prompt to continue with the manual tax setup, so you'll want to click on Continue. Now we're moving into the part where we add specific tax rates. You'll see an option to Add Rate. Clicking on this allows you to create a new tax rate for your business transactions. The first step in this process is to select your country. It's crucial to choose the correct country because tax rates vary significantly depending on geographic location. Once you've selected your country, click on Next to move to the next part of the setup. This is where you'll need to enter the tax name. The tax name is simply a label that helps you easily identify the tax rate you are setting up. After entering the tax name, proceed to input the country rate. The country rate represents the percentage of tax that will be applied to transactions within that specific country. An important decision you'll face is whether to enable taxes on shipping. This is optional and can vary depending on your business needs and the tax rules of your region. You'll see a toggle for this option. If you decide that shipping should be taxed, you can enable it here. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and made the appropriate choices, the final step is to click Save to ensure all your changes and additions are securely stored. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added tax on Squarespace, ensuring that your online store is ready to handle transactions in a compliant manner. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.